UK housing, people caught in expensive unstable private renting. The UK housing market is dealing with a slowdown, where the buyers are waiting to see what happens after Brexit. If the uncertainty is cleared, there is the chance of increasing demand, but the country faces a $10 billion trade deficit on construction material, where 60% of the material is imported from the EU, and 92% of the softwood timber comes from Europe. In the construction sector, 10% of the workforce comes from the European Economic Area, where 19.7% residential building sites are from another country, and the immigration plan restricts the workforce earning less than $30,000 a year. The government announced a number of schemes to support the sector, cancelling the rent cuts, increasing grants for social housing and removing the borrowing cap. Lack of affordable homes in the millennial buyer. The government believes affordable means social rented, intermediate and affordable rented, houses that can be provided to the eligible households unable to buy from the markets. The facility also includes the provision of shared ownership where the cost of renting is below the market level, but some shared ownership come at a very high price, where even a 25% share can cost over $3,000 a month in mortgage. The lack of affordable homes is an obstacle, especially for the millennials, where the government statistics show almost 50% of the newborn in the country are living in rented accommodations. A number of families living in privately rented homes with children increased 94% in 10 years. According to 2016-2017 stats, the Generation Rent are the new generation parents, where 49.2% of the children born in such families live in rented accommodations, where the biggest risks include the risk of eviction. The highest growth in the number of renting families was seen in the regions, North East England, the Humber, Yorkshire, and Northern Ireland. Young living with parents and overcrowding. The data also finds the average age of the first-time buyer has increased from 26 in 1997 to 34, and nearly 1 million young adults are living with parents than 2 decades ago. Younger people are moving to live with their parents as they find it difficult to move out. The average household sizes fell in years from 1951 to 2001, from 3.3 people per household to 2.36, but it again increased to 2.39 people per household in 2017, as per the UN's data. Overcrowding has been a major problem. The housing surveys show 1 million people are living in overcrowded rented homes. That has increased to highest levels since 24 years ago, where more than 250,000 families are living in overcrowded private rented homes, that is second highest since 1996.